What? Oh, we have 20 solar panel installations coming up? That means I need to order 5 parts for each installation before I can set up the appointments. I hate this process. I need to go through so many steps to order parts for each of these work orders. I'm gonna be here all night. I'm holding up getting these appointments scheduled. If I could request these parts right from the work order itself, it would save me so much time and so many clicks. Hey Mickey, haven't you heard about Asset-360's new Service Process Manager feature? It's called Transactions and provides you with a low-code, no-code way to quickly create business processes that reflect your best practices. And best of all, it's all in one easy-to-use interface. Let's see it in action. We'll create a product request process that will enable you to request all the parts you need right from the work order of the upcoming installation. Using transactions, you can map fields to ensure data is captured and flows correctly, add default values, filter records, and set conditional formatting to change how the data is displayed to different service staff. The UI makes it simple to maintain and adapt processes as your business needs to develop. As a ServiceMax administrator, you'll find the transaction settings in the Asset-360 Admin Setup Home under Service Process Manager. When you create a new transaction, you will set the type, which determines what the transaction does, the object, which is where it will appear, and the type of record that will be created. Then you can map default values and data from the work order to the product request using an object map. In the form layout, you can add fields and reorder them. To create the list of products you need, you'll add a section and define where you want the data to come from. In this case, the product required record. Then set the qualifying criteria in the related list properties. If the tech already has some of the products he or she needs for the job, they must be excluded from the request list. Setting field mapping and value mapping will pull data from the product required record. All right, the transaction has been created. Now over in the wizard, you can make it available in the work order. Under Field Work Order Actions, add the new transaction. That's it. Oh, that's great. Now when I go to the work order, I can create a product request with one click, and all the fields I need have automatically been populated. Well, that saved me a lot of time. I wonder where else we can create transactions that will streamline our processes. There are so many possibilities. Oh, hi, Tim. Hey, Mickey. These ongoing COVID restrictions mean we need to tweak the service process again. Instead of having techs do repairs when they're on site, they must send a list of products that need to be fixed to the repair depot. Can we do that? Will it take a long time to make that change to our system? Sure, Tim, don't worry. I can do that really quickly. With Asset-360 Service Manager transactions, you can stay agile and roll out new, faster, more compliant processes to everyone who is part of the field service process, leading to greater business agility, productivity, and growth.